Are you familiar with this tower? Welcome to Portsmouth. It was a very busy day due to boat race. It was an event race for your life. Here are the two besties. Evidently, it's a lot of people. And look, may isang ala Spider-Man. O diba, ang tapang. Ate, huwag kang tumalon. Mahal ka ni Lord. Kaway-kaway ang mga kabibo. And guess what? Ako ang nagtahi ng mga dresses nila. Oh wow, such a massive boat. Portsmouth are known as cruising too. And these two, walang katapusan ang energy nila. High energy to the roof. Ayan ang mga timbiglaan. Gora kung gora, kahit saan. At kahit kailan. Oh wow, Krispy Kreme in the corner. Our sponsor of the day, ang manager ng Krispy Kreme. Salamat sa palibre. Thanks for watching Portsmouth Escapade.